This is the NCEA 2015 Year 12 exam for NCEA 2 External, and we're now on question 1A, part 3. It says, Luca says the equation log blah equals 2 has only one solution. Is he correct? Find the solutions justifying your answer. So again, the essential skill here, as always, with logs really is to turn a log expression or equation into index form. So to make this index form, we always start by writing down the base. In this case, the base is going to be x. X to the power of 2 is equal to, in this case, it's going to be 4x plus 12. Now, straight away, you might suspect we've got a quadratic equation, so I'm actually going to turn this into a quadratic equation, and I'm going to do this by subtracting 4x from this side and 12 from this side. When I do that, I'm going to end up with an x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So now, simple matter really of factorizing this. So we've got factors of 12. I'll write this over here. So factors of 12 are going to be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. And we're going to look for factors that are going to add or subtract 2, 4 of some sort. So I'm going to place them in my brackets here. I notice that in this case, the signs are going to be different. We're going to minus there, which means the signs are going to be different. So I'm going to write my x and my x. Signs are different. I'm just going to use a plus and a minus. Doesn't matter which order we get them in. And I notice that although the signs are different, of the two numbers that are going here, the biggest of those two numbers will be negative. Let's have a look which is the biggest of the two numbers that can add to 4. Well, only two of these can add to one set of those can add to 4, which is a 2 minus a 6 or a 6 minus a 2. Either one of those results in a 4 of some sort. So we're going to use 2 and 6. But we notice that although the signs are different, the biggest of the two numbers goes next to the negative. Biggest of the two is 6. Put the 6 next to the negative and the 2 next to the positive. All right, so therefore we can say that either x is going to equal negative 2, or we can say x is equal to positive 6. Or we could write it if you want, x is an element of the set of negative 2, 6. But we should qualify that by saying however or but. Yeah? What we've got here is a base. We're finding the base. And the base for a log expression or equation or EQEN cannot be negative. Therefore, x equals 6 is our only answer. And that would be the way I would approach that question.